This is a quick tutorial teaching you how to set an appointment. I want to thank you for being at the Impact Family website. So normally you could just come here, either first intake session or regular session. This should probably just change to regular session in a few weeks. So you would come here, and this video will most likely be placed right above the roster. Okay, this is me, Jackie Kemian. This is my wife. This is Dr. Jasmine Ambo, Reverend Vincent Ambo, Pastor Carlo Peralta, Jillian Martinez Peralta, Dr. Edward Ramos, Laura Jordan, Devon Johnson, Pastor Devon Johnson, and his beautiful wife, Deborah Johnson. Okay, you can choose any one of those uh, counselors. Okay, and normally the way you'd book is you would either do click here if you want to do me and my wife, or Vincent and Jasmine. This is for teams. If you have an economic hardship, here's a scholarship request. If you want one of us to come speak at your event, you can make any request here. But normally, people are looking to just book a session. You would click that. And so, and this is a typical layout. Okay. You can choose office session, webcam session, phone session. Some of the counselors you'll see have a lot of different offices. I only have one. But if one is busy in one office, you can always click. For example, let me show you here. Make sure you search through all the offices. Okay, so you can choose. Because if this office is being used, maybe this one will be available with this particular counselor. Okay, so again, if you want to book, you just click this. This will pop up. You can choose your duration, 50 minutes, that's one session, hour and 40 minutes, that's two sessions, 2 hours and 30 minutes, that's three sessions. Okay. I usually just leave this alone. You hit next. All right. So at this point, you would just choose the date. Let's say you want to do it on Saturday, the 16th, 3 p.m. Okay. You could log in if you already have a login credentials. This will fill in all the details for you. Okay. But if you don't have login credentials, I would just go through the process. Okay. Sorry here. Sorry, I'm having a little problems here. Okay. So again, you would just go through here, hit next. Okay. You put your name. Okay, I'll just put a random number. Okay, this is your first regular. Here you could put other people that are going to be coming with you. If you don't care about that, here you put how you found us. Most people find us through Google. Whatever the issue is, if it's not available, comments you want to make, sign in to proceed. Okay. I already have an account, but if you don't, you could just register here. Okay. Hit login. I already have an account, so now it's going to log me in. Okay, I'm logged in now. It's going to take me through the process. Okay, you already have two in here. I'll delete one. Okay, so here I go right here. Okay, I'm going to put a promo code in here. Okay, so now at this point I'm going to put in my address. I'll put in our mailing address. Put in my debit card information. All right, so I'm going to save this. We recommend you save it. This is the terms of conditions. This is privacy policy. If you want to read through that, you click this. Okay. All right, so after you're done, it's going to take you here. Thank you for booking your council connection. Remember, your serious contribution toward this is tax deductible according to the IRS stipulations. So again, this will take you to the portal. Where you can see all your bookings, and you can drop down here, bookings, downloads, orders, payment methods. Okay, so if you click this, this is your dashboard. This is your bookings. Okay, now let's say well, normally this is not going to let you cancel because it's already outside the 72-hour window. I'm in the 72-hour non-cancellation, but normally you would just cancel here. You'd click this right here and cancel, okay? And I'll create another video showing how that happens. But this is where you would do it. And you can see all your history of bookings right here, okay? Thank you.